go get your camping pants or whatever we're doing here.
So, does anyone know anything about setting up a campsite or maybe lifelong friendship or...
Not me. I'm only here because my mom said exposure to fresh air and other kids my age would help me. I'm good.
The key to a cozy campfire is location. I think we should set camp here.
We're losing daylight. Cat, you find the flint. Molly, you gather firewood. And Libby, stay upright.
Mm.
Scratch! You can't eat those berries, they're poisonous!
You know I'm already dead, right?
Oh, right.
So how's the friend hunt going?
Not bad. These scorecards have everything I'm looking for in a best friend. Creativity, smarts, generosity, a deep passion for fuzzy socks, leadership, and most importantly, the X Factor.
Wow, that is pretty... Oh, you know what? I don't care. I totally won't be scaring you guys later, so don't suspect anything. Okay, bye.
Wait, don't you want to know what the X Factor is?
Nope.
Well, it's indescribable anyway.
Who's got the goods?
Do you have what it takes to lead us?
Who's got the goods?
Do you have passion in your heart?
Who's got the goods?
Can you parkour across the forest? We need a hero in the woods. Tell me
Who's got the goods?
Oh no!
Who's got the kindness?
To care for other creatures.
Who's smart enough?
To pack a trail mix with no nuts.
Peanut allergies.
Who can outrun an angry possum that I accidentally woke with a poke? Intelligence.
Who's got it?
Positivity.
Who's got it?
Gets my jokes.
Who's got it?
Good hygiene.
Who's got it?
Not afraid to tell me if there's chocolate on my cheek. Who's got the goods?
I'll just wait for a little moody mise-en-scène, and then when the scares are ripe for the picking, I'll...
Boom!
Jeff, what are you doing here? I was very clear that you were not invited.
I read between the lines, best friend.
No, don't wink. We're not friends.
Exactly.
Stop! We are not friends, so stop winking! Wink! Fine, you can hang, but do not get in my way, okay?